Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam pedestal vase. So what you're going to need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. You'll need some of these crystal teardrop pendants, also from Efavormart. And I have some of these white pearlized beads. These are from Efavormart as well. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these rhinestone buckles, and these buckles are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 of these taper candle holders. You're going to need a glass vase, and I've got 2 shapes here. I've got this kind of like a fluted or a tulip shape, and then I have one of these little candle holders is like a faceted candle holder. So I'm not really sure which direction we'll go in, but we'll see as we go along. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to create this beautiful vase, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. This piece is like super versatile. You could use this for centerpiece decor at home or for an event or even a wedding. But let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.